Hi everyone, my name is AmoghITSchool. Today we are going to learn about tuples in Python. So let's get started. First, I'll tell you what we are going to learn today. We'll learn some operations with tuples. We will learn what is a tuple. We will learn some other things with tuple, like how to create a tuple, and some other ones like creating a tuple inside a list and a list inside a tuple, and some methods in tuple, and a few more. So let's get started. Here I'm giving a variable called emp equal to round brackets, and just print the type of emp. Okay, and also print emp. Now I'll just run it. You can see it's coming, and also you can see it's a tuple. So the tuple is also a collection of items. It is immutable, and we use the round brackets in tuple. So that's the main difference between list and tuple. Okay, next I'm giving a variable called city equal to okay, or I'll just give like city to Pune, comma. Now I'll print the type of city. Okay, and now I'll just run it. You can see it is also a tuple. I think you can see, right? Okay, you can see it's a tuple. Now I'll give again like city equal to okay Pune, and now here I'll give print city. Okay, now I'll just run it. You can see Pune is coming, so it's working properly and correct. And now I'm giving city equal to Pune. I mean not Pune. You can see Pune. Now I'll print this also. Well, now here I'll give a few more values in city variable, or I'll just give space to understand it. And now Pune, Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai. And now print city. You can see it's coming. And now let's create one or two lists. List 1 equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and also I'll create a tuple 1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and also I'll give list 1 dot not extend, it's okay, append. I will give append 5 to list 1. Okay, I'll append, I will add a I will add 5 to list 1. Okay, oh sorry, just 1 minute, I forgot something. I forgot to print it, and also oops, now here I'm giving print list 1. Okay, here you can see I add 5 to list 1, and the next one is, let's try that same one to tuple. I'll give tuple 1 dot append you can see it's not coming because there's nothing called append in tuple. So I'll print tuple 1, and now you'll get an error. You can see it's telling object has no attribute append, means that don't have a method called don't have a method append in tuple. Okay, so I'll just comment that thing. Now here I'm giving print city 1. Okay, you can see Bangalore. I print city once and then I print 1 because it starts from index. Tuple also follows index only. And now let's paste this, and I'll give -1. You can see Mumbai. You know why it came? I'll explain. First, from Pune I give -1, means it'll go back and go to Mumbai. Okay, so that's how it works about it. And now I'll print city again, and this time I'll give num equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here I'll give print city plus num. Okay, now you can see city plus num. I created a variable city and num, and now I concatenate. I concatenate them, like I add them. And now here I'm giving like nest equal to city comma num. I don't think we need space here. And now print nest okay, you can see somewhere I think I added nest is city plus num. That means I add both of them, so it's coming like this. And now here I'm giving rep. Okay, rep equal to Python comma print rep multiply with 10 print rep. Now okay, you can see it. I've printed the Python 10 times. Like that you can print it as many times as you want, 10 times or 5 times or many times as you want. Okay, next is we will do a little bit of slicing in it. I'll print num and then print num again, and here I will give 1 colon and print num here colon -1. Okay, oops, just a minute, I forgot to give the square brackets. Okay, you can see it's working, like it reversed the order. First I print num once, and then I take out the 1 away, and then I reverse the order of it. Now reverse means like first give 1, 2, 3, 4, next I reverse it means like 4, 3, 2, 1, like that, reversing the order like that. Okay, next we'll discuss about a few, I'll create using a little tuple constructor. inside tuple constructor I'll give AmoghITSchool. Print num I will give, and a comma b comma c comma d equal to num, and here print a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, and now I will just print it. I'll just run it. You can see it's coming correct. Okay, like if you want to understand, I can understand it for you. You can see like here inside num got 1 2 3 4 and I given variables a b c d, means now here like I will explain like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, now a is for 1, b is for 2, c is for 3 and d is for 4. Okay, so that's how to use it. Next here I will give a comma b comma c comma d, but I'll take out d this time, and here I will like multiply it. Oops. Okay, I'll multiply it equal to num. Okay, now I'll just run it again. You can see 1 2 3 4 coming correct, I think. Oops, sorry, 1 minute. Printing num, I have to print a comma b comma c. Okay, you can see 2 and 3 are in square brackets, and tuple 1 I'll get a variable tuple 1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 equal to print tuple 1. Next here I will like okay, it's coming like this when I print a tuple. Now I learn how to delete a tuple. To do that I'll give del tuple 1 and now print tuple 1. Okay, you can see now tuple is nothing over there anymore, so I'll just comment this. You can see now it won't be deleted anymore. Okay, next here I will give like num1 equal to 3 comma 5 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 4 times 6 comma 5 comma 8. Okay, now I'll go print num1 dot count 2. Okay, now I'll just run it. You can see 4 is coming because we're asking like how many 2's are there. In total there are 4 2's. So now here I'll give like print sum of num1. Okay, 35. Okay, means like it'll add everything and it'll come like 35, I think. And here I'll give now length min or max I'll give now, and min. Now I'll just run it. Now you can see we get it total there are 9 of them. It's telling like there are 9 values, and it's coming 8 because 8 is the greatest over there in all the values, and 2 because 2 is the lessest one. Max is for the highest and min is for the lowest. Next I will give about like LST equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 print type of LST. Okay, now I'll just run it. You can see class list is coming. Now here I'll give TPL equal to tuple constructor. Now here I will give LST and print tuple TPL. Okay, now finally I'll just print one of the the type of it once. Print type of num1. Okay, I'll run it. You can see it's a list. First one is list. This is the list, and then this is and then the other one is just like values that we given here. You can see like inside the list it's showing the values, and finally the type of it. Okay, that is about it now. And here I'll give LST equal to 1, 2, 3, and here 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'll give LST now dot append. Okay, dot append. Now again I'll give inside and give tuple inside list. Okay, we're learning about putting a tuple inside a list. So now print LST you can see it's coming properly in append. We add it. Now here I'll give LST dot remove 1, 2, 3. Okay, now if I just run it, oops, 1 minute. Print LST, oops, okay, now you can see the 1, 2, 3 is gone. Only 4, 5, 6 tuple inside list is there. And the next one is list. Like I'll give TPL equal to like that, like tuple like round brackets and square brackets, and A comma B comma C comma D, or I'll just give the D, E, F in the other ones. D, oops, D, E, F, D, E, F. Okay, now print TPL. Okay, I'll just run it right now. You can see ABC and DEF, ABC, DEF is there. And now we'll do 2 of the methods in it, like TPL 0 dot sorry. Okay, now here I'll give append comma Z comma print TPL, like we'll add Z also there in the TPL. Okay, I'll just run it right now. You can see Z is there in ABC there. And now, and one more thing, and it came in ABC because we given 0, right? Because this is like also value, but it's not, like it's a list only. Inside tuple we add a list. Earlier we add tuple inside list, now list inside tuple. Okay, now let's remove the Z. To remove it, it's very easy, just change the append to remove. You can see now it's gone, the Z is gone. Now here I'll give TPL dot and one more thing, earlier the append method didn't work and now it worked because we give a list inside a tuple. Okay, and now here I'll give now tuple dot append, and now here I'll just give X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Now TPL, you can see now it's not like adding a X, Y, Z over there, because only if we give like a list inside a tuple, I mean like a tuple like a list inside a tuple, then only it will work. List inside tuple only, then we can append it. And this is series. Okay, I'll give series to from 0 to 9, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I'll print series. Okay, that's how to get it. It is like it's working. Next is I'll give series, like this is the last program now, series 1 to series plus 10 comma print series 1. Okay, you can see it print till 0 to 10 because we add 10 over there. Now the last two lines is series 3 equal to series 1 square brackets equal to 11 plus series minus 1. Print series 3. Okay, now you can see it print from 0 to 10 and then again, and now from 9 to 0. So that's all about it. Please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you. And one more thing is that's all for today's class. Okay, first we learn about like what is a tuple, I explain, and then we learn like how to like use a few. We learn that tuple cannot have a append method, and we add a few values to it, and then we started like like this variables and all. Okay, and then we learn about putting a tuple inside a list and list inside a tuple, and finally we did this last program, the series and all. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you and bye.